Kuya Dick for mayor, and I want to be Mayor Dick, and I want to be a president after my speech. Mayor! I'm Kuya Dick, and this is my sidekick, Ravi. Ravi, why you...
Mayor, sorry.
I'm Mayor, okay.
Iiwasan lang kita sa mga...
Okay, if you bought me, thank you. If not, you. Okay? Okay, let's start a plan. Give me a plan.
Plan? Anong plan Mayor?
Plan.
Plan A?
Plan B.
Plan C?
Okay, okay. Any kind of plan. Can I get my, Okay, good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Okay, if you vote me, I stop the traffic in EDSA. But there's no car. We used to walk. Okay, if you vote me, I teach your children how to diet and eat once a day. What?
Sorry, Mayor.
Don't disturb. Okay, I'm speech. Okay, okay. If you vote me, I put the plan in your... Why are you, I'm speech ito. Okay, hi, mommy. If you vote me, I put a plan inside your home. Okay? To fix a vegetable. Okay, if you bought me, give me your money and I carry you every day. Right?
Yes, Mayor.
Okay. If you bought me, give me your car and I sell a higher price. Okay? What you want to do to my countrymen? Okay. Oh, Robbie, what do you think? Is it okay?
Yeah.
I proclaim you. I'm to become a president tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Yes, Mayor.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, guys.
Ibon lang pala, Mayor. Ibon lang. Tayo lang ng ibon.
Very good job, my kick man.
Tayo lang ng ibon. Sorry, Mayor.
Whew. I intense the surroundings. Okay. Okay, a countryman. What do you think you do to you if I a president in your country? Huh? Okay?
Mayor,
Yes.
oras na? Kailangan na natin umalis, Mayor.
Okay, I'm sorry guys. I just set another management, okay? Thank you for here. And you. Don't late, okay? Don't late me out, okay? Just put there and I come back. Thank you.